Hello everybody, I'm back here. Today I want to open Oreo cookies. This is the family size. And there's some nutrition facts. They have two cookies per serving, but they have 20 servings per container. So this package, they have 40 cookies. And 2 cookies is 29 grams. And the calories are 140. They have 9% total fat. It's 7 grams. And that they have 10% or 2 grams saturated fat. Cholesterol is 8%. No, sorry, 0%. Sodium 4% is 85 milligram. Total carbohydrate 21 grams is 8%, and that includes 13 grams added sugars, so 26%. No vitamin D, no calcium, no potassium, and iron is 0.9 milligrams, 6%. This one. Ingredients, they have sugar, unbleached, enriched flour. Oh, what else they do have? The words are so small, so I know they have a lot of stuff here. And then the final is a cholesterol and artificial flavor, and contains wheat and soy, and made in Mexico. Oh, I didn't know they made in Mexico, and this belong to this manufacturer. Okay, here. Da, da, da. This one pound for ounce is 566 grams. Cholesterol sandwich cookie is 140 calories, 2 grams of saturated fat, 85 milligrams sodium, 4%. 13 grams total sugar. It's the per 2 cookies. So let's open it. It's the smell a lot mint. Yeah, that is the mint. Green filling. The filling is green color. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Yummy. Let me take one. Not bad. Not a lot sweet. Oh, well. Let me split one of them for you to see. Yeah. Oh. Kids usually they click this. Up. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I need to go to grab get my I need to go to my mailbox to get mails where I live tonight. By 11 o'clock tonight, we have to from now on until next 2 weeks. We have to stay home. We only allowed to go to buy the thing. We go to thing for necessary daily living, like go to the grocery store and doctor or buy a medicine or take our order because we got a lot of people sick. And I saw the news today. They have a 9-year-old that test positive COVID-19. And yesterday, I think about yesterday they have 20 by 6 o'clock. Yesterday they have 23 people there in the Orange no, in Florida, and it's over 2,000 people test positive. Okay, we don't know what's going on in the future. Then now, just happy, stay well with your family, and be happy with your family. Cooking, eating, sleep, get enough sleep. Enjoy your 2 weeks. Hang around with your families. That's hard to get. It's hard when you got to get family together for 2 weeks. Some have get paid living with the family 2 weeks. You have to be happy. Okay, take care. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.